Right, good morning everybody. It's that time of week again. We all crazy people get up early in the morning, come out and do some silly magnet fishing. Right, today it's my pick and I've chose Blackburn. I've not done this bit area before. We know other people have, but I thought we'd give it a go. Up to now we've got our lovely Tracy here and Alan. Ash has just been, he's just nipped off back to McDonald's. He'll be filling his face now. Now we have got a couple of guests supposed to be coming today, so maybe they'll turn up, maybe they won't. If they do and they don't mind, I'll put them on camera. Right, I'm going to get set up, get dipping, I'll get back to you if I get out. Right, had a couple of bits. Had that, which Alan says he's off a sewing machine, and that does a foot at the bottom. Not sure about it. Some weight in that. And we had what I'm going to say is the remains of a shopping trolley. A bit more of it. Then we had that. I thought it was a gear stick at first. I don't know what that's of. We had a little torch. Not working. Scap clamp. The remains of a strimmer. And we had the centre stand off a motorbike, so you never know. I had this big solid piece of steel, obviously some sort of bracket, maybe off the old bridge, something like that, who knows. And we had that random piece of metal, a few bars in it. And we had this massive motor that spins around. I haven't a clue what it is. No writing on it. Anybody knows, drop it in the comments. But that's what it's got on the electric side, isn't it? Like a little switchboard. Who knows? Now, one of the people that was supposed to be turning up today has turned up. And over there, we've got our Paul from Darwin Dippers, he's a lad. Yeah, guys. Don't forget, go and like and subscribe on his channel. So he's come out today with us. Join us, and there's another one that's supposed to be coming, whether he turns up or not, we don't know. But if he does, we'll show you. That's the old man. The old man. And Ash is here now as well. He's over there. Yeah, he has. Well, up to now he's had find of the day. He's beat Tracy's little fine, but right, get back to you in a bit. That's just being greedy. I've got a few more bits. Had what looks like the remains of a kickstart, motorbike. Had a security wheel nut off of the car. Some random looking piece of cast, maybe a gate point, something like that. One scaffolding pole. Two scaffolding poles. That's 12 foot long, right? Part-time people have just turned up. DS Rusty. No, DS Nuts. Yeah. There you go. DS Nuts. Oh, and Tori's over there as well. Heidi. Didn't mention her name, did we? No. Right, get back to you in a bit. Same as what you've just had. Yeah. Right, couple more finds. Had a Ford radio. Don't think it'll work anymore. Nice little padlock. I'm going to say some sort of punch, or is it a murder weapon? Who knows? I'm not a clue what that is. Maybe a handle of a kid's bike or something like that, with metal inside. And then we have this. Now this was in a bag. It came up with 4 Stanley knives. And that plastic clock. Strange one. Ash said it's an offering, cutting through time. His jokes are worse than mine. Right, get back to you in a bit. I mean, we've been out when it's snowing. There's not a lot that stops us. I will be honest with you. Yeah, there isn't a lot that stops us. I'm waiting out for a little thing. Not a clue. Haven't a clue. Right, we've had a few more bits. Lad, one leg of mining board. Lad, the other side of the ironing board. And we had that solid lump of steel. I haven't a clue whether it was a foot peg off a bike or not. Ooh.
it out.
You never know. Keep your eye out on that video. You never know what's flying in behind you. Might just get a bit of a spark in the water. There you go, you can have a live view of a bit of a pole. Was that a meteor that I just seen then?
No, it's probably shine off his head.
Ah, is that what it was?
Yeah. Probably. Derek checked out these Manchester.
We had an old Nokia phone. No SIM card, no battery. An old Bolt. Don't know what that was. Maybe a fuse, a big old fuse, I don't know. A dumbbell. Right in front of me.
We had this.
Bar stool. There you go. Had famous fence pins all bent over. And whatever that was a clue. Like I say, where we are, there's a lot of old mills around here, so some interesting finds been coming out. Right, get back to you in a bit. Oh, nice phone. I've got a few more bits. Got a wing mirror off an RS2000. Had part of the side wing off an RS2000. The RS2000 came equipped with a trowel.
That was the gardening edition.
Big lump of steel, I haven't a clue what it is. Looked like a tap, but it's not a tap. What's left of the car jack? Out of an RS2000. Had a bit of the chrome trimming off an RS2000. We've had the wheel nut, the wheel brace out of an RS2000. Big lump of cast. So if it is a safe. Oh!
Oh, fucking hell, that's fun, isn't it?
Yeah. Motorbike stocks. Fucking hell.
Half the frame.
You know.
It's the engine.
You know that's going to be the engine.
That's the engine.
Wherever it got before. Oh. Now it's just slide. Try it again, Ash. Come on, baby.
Oh, you know, I don't know. Sort of. It is as well, isn't it? It fucking is. It's either an inspection door or a safe door. I don't want to say which at the minute. Probably a safe door, you know. Yep.
Yep. Oh, that is a big safe.
You know. Yeah. The bolts are on this
Yeah,
side,
the bolts are here down. They slide through.
Fucking motorbike and a safe door in the same spot. Yeah, the lock. There you go, there's the lock. There's the lock. That's the lock, that. We always said that 5 minutes ago. I'm talking to myself.
Did you hear that, everybody? Change the angle on the camera. Front forks, part of the frame, off the motorbike. What phone did you say it was? Savvy?
Motorola. Savvy, yeah.
Philips Savvy. There you go. Pulled that out before. All in its case. Little Philips Savvy mobile phone.
The RS2000.
And apparently it was inside the RS2000 glove box. There you go. And then this was what they used the RS2000 for, that I'm going to show you now.
Apparently Steve's done this area here, but you missed this one.
There you go. You know, I stopped fishing for 5 minutes and he's in my spot. Can you tell what it is yet? Hinges, bolts on that side, door off the safe.
I haven't done it. Don't forget you've got plenty of out with that, Steve.
Yeah. Alistair started to help, but he carried off. Then Dan had to come and help, and Ashley helped as well to get the safe door out. Happy days. Right, get back to you in a bit. Right, we moved up a bit, and we had that basket out. The remains of a racing bike out. Big long pole called pole dancing. What I think is some sort of pump, maybe a sump pump, I think. Big metal bar. More flat bar and a bit of tubing. I thought that was a barrel at first, but it's not, it's just a bit of tubing. some sort of tracking. I'm presuming it's out of the old mill at the back of me. Bit more flat bar. Again, probably all out of the old mill here. Another solid bar. More plating. Holes in it, so probably some sort of tracking. Through the square window. Don't know what that is, some sort of bobbin. It's just a solid metal bobbin. Junction box off for electrics, that's definitely out of the old mill. And then I was pulling bits up. I don't know if you remember on the video I've shown some bits of the motorbike, I think. Well, that's part of the motorbike, so I came back to the spot and I was determined to shout Ash, Dan, Alistair. But look what I've got, guys.
Another help Steve moment. No, just had a, what we think, Honda Cub, knocker 90s, stuff like that, that's what they used to call them. He's been getting loads of bits like that for a little while. So we come up with both magnets and ended up pulling.
I'm not going to pick it up to show you. An old Cub 90 we think it is or something, complete with engine and everything. That was a bit of a bugger to get out, but it's out. That's the main thing. And then, what else did we have? We had a couple of bits. Bit of random tubing. Pair of snips. An old screwdriver. Another old screwdriver. They're all snaps on the ends. But yeah, that bike, find of the day for me, that. Right, get back to you in a bit. Back on it. Keep your gloves on. Keep your gloves on. Bubbles coming up, isn't they?
Yeah, bubbles coming.
Fucking lot of bubbles coming up now.
Alistair!
I haven't a clue. Oh no, not on the side!
Oh.
Yeah!
You have to sit on the floor.
It wouldn't come off, we did it with a pull-less. So I say there's no leverage on there, is there?
Get down the rope a bit more. What's that rope you've got there?
This is the other end.
Ah, right. That's it. You've got an inch out of that.
That's it.
There we go.
Yeah. Anybody want a wheel clamp? Anybody want a wheel clamp?
Yeah, I was at the wrong angle.
You're on it.
Yes!
Bit of a live chuck off Danny there.
Another one a bit further out. Like that. Well, that's why the grass is on its own.
Right. I've just moved up a little bit. Got a few finds. Had that pole. This pole. Another pole here. That weight. Part of a steel drum. That pole there. But look at this. Some sort of box. haven't a clue what it is yet, because it's still coming out of crap inside it. Don't know what that was off, some sort of roll mechanism or something. But yeah, it looks like it's a door. Maybe. Keyhole there. That's a keyhole. So chances are it's a little safe. Is that a keyhole? That looks like a keyhole to me. It definitely looks like. I've left all my tools down at the other side, so I'll have to bring some gear up here shortly. Yeah. The bar. I mean, we just do it as a hobby.
It's a bit like magnetfishing on water, isn't it?
It is. That's exactly what it is.
And you make more, you get... What do you do with it? A
Couple of the lads have got vans, so it all gets weighed into Scrapman. Yeah, guys, look at the length of that one. What else have we got on here? Out of the door gate bolt. Go across. Walk in. And all the money still on. There's a key thing on the side, on the front there. Look at it. Look at the hole. I'm going to say that's a keyhole. Oh, I thought that was a barrel then.
A bit small for a key, that,
Do you reckon?
mountain hole, maybe. A bit small for a keyhole.
Fuck. Sump off the bottom of the car. Yeah. Sump off the bottom of the car. A Foster's USB charger. I don't drink Foster's. I'm a bitter man. Right, get back to you in a bit. Oh guys, I've even gone and got the kitchen sink. That's a bloody big sink, that. Like I say, be out of this old mill here. Size of that place. And all the way down there as well. But yeah, kitchen sink. Whatever next. Right, get back to you in a bit. I just had that long pole out there, long scaffolding pole, all the way up to the end. And then we've had a few more poles there. Then I had this cash box. Look at that. Nothing in it. Well, that's all I like. That was what was in it. Metal bars. Then a few more tubes there. And what's it weight there? Weightlifting weight. But yeah, I like that little cash box. Quite solid. Might take that home. I'll keep that, I don't know. Yeah, happy days. Right. That's in a bit. Right guys, I'm going to call it a day. Going to start packing up, taking out scrap backs at the vans. Been a brilliant day. Some of us have had some really good finds, others done nothing. From me this week, not a bad week. Nice little pick. Everybody's had a nice little treat. Right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to tune in again next week. See you later.
The things you do for friends. Look at this. Leaves his e-cig on the wall. That's Steve from Blackpool. Anyway.
Cute.
Is it dirty?
Come here, we'll do an Uncle Paul for you. We'll clean the lens. There you go.
So.